Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this Diagnostic World video. In this video we're going to demonstrate the icarsoft JP version 2.0 kit, which is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description and the comments box below this video. So in this video I'm going to show you basically demonstration of the tool diagnosing and resetting the airbag light on the dashboard, as you can see right there. So we're going to we've got the tool plugged into the diagnostic port right now. So from the menu we're going to click onto diagnostics, we're going to click onto Toyota. This does have a bit of a beep when we're going through the menu system. You can turn that beep off if you really wish to. So we'll go manual. It's really easy to do this. Scroll down to SRS airbag. First of all, we'll read fault codes, so it gives you an idea of where the problem is. We've got B1821, so if you weren't exactly familiar what that code meant, just basically go online and you'll get a lot of internet forums and internet pages which explain what this code means. We found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat. So we put that back together, but the airbag light is still on, so we need this tool to actually clear the fault memory, and that should erase the trouble codes and reset the warning light on the dashboard. So we'll click on to clear fault memory. Once I click OK here, just keep one eye on the airbag light. There we go, that's gone off, and on screen here we have operation done. So it's all thanks to the icarsoft JP version 2.0. It doesn't just cover Toyota, it covers other Japanese models as well. So as you can see here, we've got them all on screen. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description, in the comments box and in the description below this video. www.diagnostic-world.com.